What's good, everybody? Look at there. Hard shell tacos, homemade olays, soft shell taco. Good stuff. Rachel made a homemade dip. She's having a hard shell taco. I got 2 hard shells with mild taco sauce. And I got Tortillas scoop stab with the dip, which is homemade that Rachel made. So, what's in that, honey?
Taco seasoning, sour cream, and seasoned hamburger.
Yummy.
Oh, and a little bit of cheese.
And some cheese. Looks good. Sounds good to me. That's taco dinner at our house tonight. And it's so delicious. Well, y'all. Good eats. Peace out. Bye-bye. Alright, so here it is, y'all. This is the spread. We got some Taco Bell seasoned ground 80-20. Got my olays. And these here, these are going to be the video label. It is Tiara. Authentic Mexican 12 taco shells made with stone ground yellow corn. It's since 1960. And I'll tell you what, y'all, I like taco tico. I don't know if you got one anywhere near y'all around anywhere that might be watching this video. These are the best. The closest thing I could find to really good taco. I mean, I've tried all the different store-bought ones you could get, and none of them have got El Paso and Ortega. Ain't got nothing on these bad memory channels. These are, they're really crisp. You be very careful with them. But they are, I rate them a straight on 5 out of 5 all day long. And then we got Guerrero Tortillas de Harina Caseras. These are really good. These are a soft shell. And they're just a little bit bigger around, but they're still a pretty small package in comparison to my hand here. Let's eat. And I got some Taco Bell mild type seasoning. I got some authentic mixed up cheese here. Some Mexican cheese, it says. A blend of Monterey Jack, cheddar, queso, quesadilla, and asado cheeses. Finely shredded, it's really good. We got some just Hy-Vee store brand shredded lettuce. So I'm going to make up some tacos here, and I'll get it on a plate and I'll show y'all what we're doing with it. Alright? Hold on. And there we have it, everybody. There are 2 hard shell tacos. I got the meat, got some cheese, got some shredded lettuce up in there, got some more olays, and I got the soft shell. That's what's in it. I'm going to roll it up, and then I'm going to take my plate out and get my eat on. And yeah, that's good stuff, y'all, right there. That's how we do it. Get a nice little soft shell taco. I'll take a bite of that and we'll give it that rating. Man, is that delicious. I'll put our lettuce and cheese away there so they don't go bad. And yeah, I definitely give this a solid on 5. These are the best, and they're only like a couple bucks. Most grocery stores carry them, I've noticed. I'm not sure, but don't quote me. I think Dollar General even may have these, but I'm not 100% on that one. So it is what it is. That's my taco dinner with us. Hope y'all had a great day. And thanks for stopping by and visiting our channel. We really appreciate it greatly. Be sure to drop a comment down below. Hit the like if you like. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, y'all. Alright? Alright, peace out, y'all. I'm going to go eat now. Bye-bye.